What's up, fam? Your boy is over here at the Blue Beacon getting our reefer, a trailer washout. The load I had yesterday, I don't know what they was doing, but my trailer was clean. I've been pulling this trailer for I was in Minnesota. I got it in Minnesota, brought it to Wisconsin. We went to Ohio, went to Indianapolis, Indiana, and I'm in Illinois now. So I've been pulling this trailer and I've been monitoring it. It's been clean all this time until I went last night. And it's like, you know how kids or a dog, have you had a dog that loves paper like my dog and it'd be one centimeter, half of a centimeter of pieces. That's what they got back there in the wood. It's pieces of wood. And I'm like, did y'all like take y'all time and just break it all together? So that's what it seemed like. So we got to get a trailer washout because I was not about to be back there for hours at a time trying to get all that out. What's crazy is I don't think I actually been to a Blue Beacon. I've got trailer washouts, but it just wasn't Blue Beacons. It was like mom and pop shop. So we'll see what they do. One thing's for sure, I need to get in the trailer washout business. If I do that, I'll be rich. Gotta find a good location, find a good dedicated people that want to clean and make some money. But you know, trailer washouts, for 15 minutes, they charge $50. $50. So if you do, how many can you do in an hour? You got 15, 30, 45. You can do four trailers, and you make 50, 100, 50, 200. $200 in an hour? Like, that's good money. Only thing you're paying for water, soap, good equipment, solid equipment, and they're probably leasing and renting those, because if you lease some equipment, at least you probably have like a warranty thing on it. Maybe car wash actually would be a good idea too, or a laundromat. Be a good business venture that you really don't have to have a lot of overhead, but not only that, it runs itself. Except for, I mean, you get some good workers, this can run itself. You ain't got to be doing it all the time. But I don't know. We got to figure out something. Come up with something. Also, something that scares me are the APU units. I think they're called tri-pack. My truck has an EPU, electronic. So it uses batteries to run my inverter and do all of that. And when they need to be charged, the truck starts up and it recharges. It's called optimize idle. So when I park for the night, or if I'm parked, whatever, put it in optimize idle and I'm able to run everything back there with no problem. And crazy thing, I had it in my other truck, but my other truck was 2 years old. And I'm assuming the batteries weren't as strong as this because this is brand new. I could microwave with the truck being an optimized idle, and my inverter is like, cool, whatever. My refrigerator is always on. But my old truck, as soon as I turned the microwave on, it started yelling at me. It started screaming. And so most of the time, 99% of the time, I will always just run the truck when I run the microwave. But for this truck, it doesn't. I think it was one time I was microwaving something for 5 minutes, and instead of it screaming, the truck just came on. So it knew like, oh, let's turn this on. It's a microwave. So it was kind of smart. But what I don't like about the APUs, they are very loud. Very, very loud and obnoxious, because I've seen this one dude's EPU when I was at a Love's. It was smoking. And APU is a generator, basically. That's what it is. And that's how it's giving power to your inverters and all the stuff you got back there. And it was weird because everybody kept stopping thinking his truck was on fire. But it was just the APU smoking. I don't know, maybe needed some oil. I don't know. But if I had to choose between an APU and EPU, it's going to be an EPU because it's quiet. And I know how people feel about electric cars and batteries and all. Yeah, they got their pros and cons, but The whole thing about it is for you to cut down on idle. Like you're not having an idle EPU or APU because it's the generator that's doing it. It's not the actual truck. APUs, I think they only use like 0.25 gallons of gas an hour versus a truck using like a gallon and some change an hour you have it idle. So, yeah. Pretty cool stuff, right? And speaking about idle, I just turned my truck off. It was gonna cut off anyway. I'm hoping that they don't keep me late, but I most definitely had to do a washout because it looked terrible back there. I started sweeping back there, and I was like, there's no way this broom is gonna get all of this out. Let's just do a washout. And I rarely do a washout because I'm able to clean it usually myself, but it was a lot back there. And I could tell this trailer part really haven't been washed out in a while, but whoever had it before me, we were keeping it really decently clean that you did need a trailer washout. I feel like every trailer is gonna carry some type of debris or dirt, like just something. So it just happened. Should have came over a little bit more over here on this side. And I'm gonna be nice and block this lane so nobody has to be trying to get in it. There you go, he got it. All right. That's what I'm talking about. Professional truck driver. What's up, y'all? Checking back in. Me and Jax are at the shipper. I walked in. I was a tad bit late because I did the trailer washout. I was supposed to be here at 1. Told my fleet manager dispatch that I would get here at 1:30. Your boy got here at 1:22. Good on time, right? Time management. Mean what you say. But not only that, they routed me. I knew they were routing me through all these little country roads and hills. I'm gonna show you right now. If you see that, I didn't come that way, but I came the opposite way. You see that hill? So this is what, yeah, that's what we got going on. I walk in, the guy was like, I'm pretty sure I can guess your PO number. I'm just like, yeah, I'm pretty sure you seen the big red truck. But this is my second time here, and so they are real cool, laid back. Dude, I came in there, and dude was like, you might as well go and sign all your stuff right now. Your reefer is on this number, blah, blah, blah. I got my bills and the seal, and they were like, we'll have you out in 5 minutes. Come on, talk about favor. This load doesn't deliver until tonight at 1900. It's just a drop and hook. But not only that, the place I'm going to, I love going to because I'm always in there and out of there within like 10, 15 minutes. Not only that, they said early okay. So come bring that trailer. So your boy is going to leave here. I got about 176 miles to drive till I get to Joliet because I am in Kent, Illinois. Now I'm driving to Joliet, Illinois. 176 miles, easy, whatever. And so, because what's going on, like I'm coming up, I'm getting a little, not too bad, but I'm supposed to go home tomorrow. They might see me home today only because I have 16 hours left on my 70. And your boy is a regional boy, so you know I don't have hours just to have hours. I don't do recaps because I do my resets at home. And so, yeah, so we're going to see what happens when I get to Joliet. Joliet is only like 30 miles away from home. balance out the dog park. This way. Wait, hold on. You get to be a little free today now. They even got benches out here, I guess, so you can be the parent and sit down. Be the parent and sit down.